Well, this afternoon, this midday, we are learning some new information about that deadly crash that killed a South Fulton police captain. The accused driver, Santoria McLean, appearing in court as well this morning, where emotional dash cam video was shown for the very first time. 11 Alive's Ariana Maniz was inside the courtroom and joins us live from the Fulton County Courthouse. So, Ariana, what happened in court today?
Well, Jonathan, that hearing just wrapped up, and it was the first time that we saw the dash cam video showing the moment of impact. It was an emotional day in court for Captain Helio's family, who was also present, as well as members of the South Fulton Police Department. Now, the woman accused of colliding head-on with Captain Helio Garcia, Santoria McLean, was in court. She was brought in a wheelchair as prosecutors laid out new evidence in the April 15 crash that killed Captain Garcia. Now, a Georgia State Patrol investigator said she was driving up to 98 miles per hour in a 45 zone and crossed into incoming traffic, and that was shown in the dash cam video and also proven by airbag module data that stated the speed she was going the moment of impact. Dash cam footage also captured this incident, and investigators say McLean's blood alcohol level at the moment of that crash was 0.19. A crash reconstruction expert from the Georgia State Patrol also testified, breaking down the data in court, linking McLean's speed to impact. Take a listen.
So I will say that the data supported the roadway evidence. I will say that the data supported the video evidence that we reviewed. The speed reported from the Infinity was 98 miles an hour. And if I recall correctly, the speed from the Explorer was around 45.
Now, Captain Garcia was driving that Explorer that the officer mentions in that soundbite. Now, based on the evidence that was presented today in that pre-indictment hearing, the judge did approve 8 total charges, including 3 counts of vehicular homicide, DUI, and reckless driving. McLean will remain behind bars at the Fulton County jail, and her case will go to a grand jury. Now, after that hearing, we also had the chance to speak to Captain Garcia's wife, who was present in that courtroom, and she stayed in the courtroom when the judge gave people a moment to step out right before that dash cam video was shown. And she described the defendant as selfish. She said that when she saw her, she said it was hard to be in the same room as someone who took her husband's life, and also stated that she witnessed the defendant smiling during the court proceeding. She also mentioned a bright moment in this family's life at the moment, saying that his daughter is expecting a baby right now, and after this hearing, she was going straight over to the hospital to be with her daughter. She said that Captain Garcia was more excited than her daughter, who was expecting the baby. She says right now she is going to stay strong for her husband, but also for her kids during this time. Reporting live from the Fulton County Courthouse, I'm Ariana Maniz for 11 Alive. Back to you.
Yeah, bright spot in what's still a very tough situation for so many. Ariana, thank you so much, and we will continue to follow this story. Stay updated by downloading the 11 Alive News app. It is free in your app store.